As we approach 2025, it's important to acknowledge that not everyone may feel the same excitement or happiness about the coming year. Life's challenges, personal struggle, and uncertainties can sometimes make it difficult to look forward with hope. But let this be a reminder that every new year is an opportunity, a fresh chapter waiting to be written. Whether 2024 was a year of triumphs or trials, 2025 gave us the chance to reset, to dream again, and to take even the smallest step toward our goals.